I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Bluehost for blogging. First, choose a Bluehost hosting plan like their basic plan, which often includes a free domain for 1 year. Next, register your unique domain name. Bluehost makes this simple during the sign-up process. Finally, with just one click, you can install WordPress, the world's most popular blogging platform, directly onto your new hosting account. This gets your blog foundation ready in about 10 minutes. Once WordPress is installed, log into your dashboard. This is your control center. Here, you can select a theme to define your blog's appearance. There are thousands of free and premium options available, allowing for extensive customization. Then, install crucial plugins. For example, a security plugin like WordFence or a search engine optimization tool like Yoast SEO can significantly enhance your blog's functionality and reach. Now let's create your first blog post. From your WordPress dashboard, go to Posts and select Add New. You'll use the intuitive block editor to write your content, add engaging images, and even embed videos. Remember to craft a compelling title and use headings to break up your text. Once you are satisfied, preview your post to ensure it looks perfect. Then hit Publish to share your thoughts with the world. To keep your blog thriving, consistent management is key. Regularly update your site with fresh, valuable content to keep your audience engaged and returning. Promote your new posts across various social media platforms to expand your reach and attract new readers. Also, prioritize your blog's security by installing a robust security plugin and scheduling automatic backups. This ensures your hard work is always protected, giving you peace of mind.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.